All right, this is a tracker boat. I think it's a 2004. And the problem we're having here is it's cracking around these welds. Come take a look. Um, you'll see cracks here, over here, and it's on the other side as well. And so the customer brought it to me. Apparently this is a common problem. So I cleaned all this up. I drilled holes at the end of the cracks, and then I'm gonna weld all those up. And then I have these plates. They're gonna go on here, which will strengthen all of this and tie it into the weld here. I'm gonna weld that all the way around. And there's four of them. So two on this pontoon and two on the other. These pieces here, I'll put a link in the description so that you can get those. All right. Um, yeah, I'm gonna get to it and get this welded, and then I'll show you the finished product.